Hey, what's up, adventurers? Today, we're diving into something a little more thrilling and honestly, a little terrifying. We're talking about 5 of the most dangerous swimming pools in the world. These aren't your typical hotel pools, they're wild, extreme, and in some cases, downright deadly. Some are natural, some are man-made, but all of them come with serious risks. So if you're the type who likes to live on the edge, or at least watch from a safe distance, stick around. Let's get into it. First up, the tidal pools in Sydney, Australia. These pools are carved naturally into the coastline and filled by the sea. On a calm day, they look like a peaceful, Instagram-worthy spot for a swim. But here's the catch. When high tide rolls in, things can change fast. Sea creatures like jellyfish, sea urchins, and even sharks can get swept in. Combine that with powerful waves and changing tides, and you've got a perfect storm for unexpected danger. One moment you're floating calmly, the next you could be struggling to get out safely. Next, let's head to Reykjavik, Iceland, where the stunning Sky Lagoon awaits. This geothermal spot is perched by the ocean, offering views of the freezing Atlantic and a relaxing soak in hot mineral water. Sounds perfect, right? Not exactly. The weather here can shift in an instant. Strong winds, icy ocean spray, and slippery surfaces turn this peaceful retreat into a potential accident zone, especially during winter storms. If you're not careful, the combo of hot water and freezing air can catch you off guard in the worst way. Now, if you're up for something truly heart-pounding, check out Cenote Calavera, also known as the Temple of Doom, in Tulum, Mexico. Imagine jumping through a skull-shaped hole in the ground into deep, pitch-black water. That's right, no clear entrance, no clear exit, and no visibility underwater. Plus, narrow cave systems below the surface can disorient or trap swimmers. This cenote is a favorite for thrill seekers, but it's easy to see why it's also one of the riskiest dives you can make. Moving on to Costa Rica, we have the Tamarindo Pool, a geothermal pool heated by nearby volcanoes. It might sound relaxing, but swimming here is not without risk. Volcanic gases like sulfur can bubble up unexpectedly, and the water can heat up in seconds due to underground thermal activity. One moment you're relaxing in warm water, the next you might feel the air become toxic or the water scalding hot. This pool might look like a natural spa, but Mother Nature can turn it into a danger zone in no time. And finally, we're flying over to London, UK, home to the jaw-dropping Sky Pool, a transparent swimming pool suspended between 2 buildings, 115 feet above the ground. That's 10 stories in the air, with only clear acrylic under your feet. Structurally, it's safe, but mentally, that's another story. Swimmers have reported vertigo, panic, and sheer fear just from looking down. It's not the pool itself that's dangerous, it's your mind playing tricks on you, and for some, that's just as scary as anything else on this list. So there you have it, 5 swimming pools that push the limits of adventure. Would you take the plunge or play it safe on dry land? Let me know in the comments which one you dare to swim in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild travel spots from around the world. Until next time, stay safe and swim smart.